Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. The South African government has dismissed the claims circulating on social media that June 30 is the deadline for foreigners to leave the country, saying no such directive exists. The Home Affairs Director General, Dr. Tommy Makode, said Pretoria remains committed to enforcing immigration laws, but only within the framework of the Constitution and international human rights obligations. Dr. Makode made the remarks during a high-level briefing on migration and regional cooperation. He urged the public to ignore polls claiming foreigners must exit South Africa by 30 June, warning that the information is false and has no basis in government policy. The clarification comes amid growing anxiety among migrant communities after viral messages suggested mass deportations would begin at month end. Government officials have repeatedly stressed that immigration enforcement will be conducted lawfully and without infringing on constitutional rights. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.